got a great Father's Day card that your dad will love. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own pop-up card. It doesn't take a lot of time or money, and it's perfect for someone who's always hard to buy for. Fold your piece of card in half and then get some Derivan black ink and cover the page with the ink and leave to dry. Now grab your template. If you haven't already done this, there's a download on the screen now, and there's also one in the description. Cut your template out and trace it onto another piece of folded card. Now you've got it traced out, you just need to cut that shape out. Don't forget the window. Now you've cut your rocket ship out, you're going to want to bend back the fins. The fins are what's going to help the rocket pop out of the card. So bend each one down like this. Now you've got your rocket ship and it's ready to go. Here's your black card. Check that the rocket ship fits. Now we're going to paint it red with the Derivan red acrylic ink, and we're going to do the fins with the turquoise. Now the rocket ship's ready, you're going to glue it into the card. Use some Derivan polymer gloss varnish as a glue and put it on both the fins. Now what you need is a photo of you and Dad. Fold that in half, put some polymer gloss varnish down, and then very gently slide it into the card so that you and Dad are inside the rocket ship. Use some white acrylic to paint a moon. This will give it that outer space look. And Derivan Kindy Glitz is going to make your galaxy. Now it's time to decorate the rocket with the red Kindy Glitz. And make that rocket look really fancy. And then matching turquoise lines on the fins. And there it is. A wonderful I love you to the moon and back Father's Day card.